Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important theory question from machine learning from module 1. So this question is very commonly asked in VTU examination. So let's understand it in very simple and easy way. So the question is explain in details the machine learning process with a neat diagram. So this is the diagram which is given here. Let's understand it. The machine learning process generally follows the CRISP DM model. CRISP DM stands for Cross Industry Standard Process for Data Mining. It is a standard step-by-step process used to build machine learning system. The entire process consists of 6 major steps. Before writing the explanation in exam, first draw the neat diagram showing all the stages connected to one after other. So these stages are business understanding, first one. Second one is data understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. These are the stages of CRISP model. So now let us understand each one step by step. So our first one is business understanding or understand the business. This is the first and the most important step. In this phase, we clearly understand the business problems and objectives. We identify what problem needs to be solved, what the company expects, and what output is required. Without understanding the business problem properly, building a machine learning model becomes the meaningless. For example, if a telecom company may wants to predict customer churn, which means identify customer who may leave the services. So the main goal is clearly define this phase. Now move to our second one, which is understanding the data or data understanding. After understanding the business problem, the next step is understanding the data. In this phase, data is collected, data categorized are studied, and patterns or relationships are identified. The main activities include data collection, data exploration, and hypothesis formation, because basically we are trying to understand whether the available data is useful for solving the problem. For example, B may analyze customer age, recharge history, and call records in a telecom database. Now move to a third one, which is data preparation or data processing. This is one of the most time consuming stages in machine learning. Real world data is usually messy and incomplete. It contains missing values, duplicate records, inconsistent data, and noise. So before giving the data to the machine learning algorithm, the data must be cleaned and transferred into a proper format. The main activities are data cleaning, data transformation, and features selection. So good quality data improves model accuracy, while poor quality data gives poor result. This is why data processing is extremely important. Now move to our fourth one, which is modeling. In this phase, machine learning algorithms are applied to the prepared data. The goal is to build a model that can identify patterns and make prediction. Different algorithms can be used depending on this problem. Some common algorithms are decision tree, naive Bayes, neural network, and support vector machine or SVM. Usually multiple models are tested to find the best performance one. Now move to our next one, which is evaluation. After building this model, the next step is evaluation. Here the model is tested to check whether it is satisfy the business objectives. Means we verify how accurately the model performs on the unseen data. Some evaluation methods include accuracy measurement, statistical analysis, and visualization techniques. If the model performance is not satisfactory, we may go back to the pre-processing or modeling and improve the system again. So evaluation helps ensure the model is reliable. Now move to our next one, which is deployment. This is the final stage of machine learning processes. After successful evaluation, the model is deployed into real-world application. The main purpose is to solve practical problems, improve business processes, and support decision making. For example, an e-commerce company may deploy a recommendation system to suggest product to user. Once deployed, the model starts working with the real users and real data. Let's quickly revise all the stages. First is business understanding, second is data understanding, third is data preparation, fourth is modeling, fifth is evaluation, and finally is deployment. Also remember the process is iterative, means if the model does not perform well, we can return to the previous stage and improve the system. So guys, this is the complete machine learning processing using CRISP DM model. This is a very important long answer question for the VTU exam. So make sure you practice the diagram and remember the explanation for each phase. If you want these notes, link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.